Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Traveling Days. If you guys watched my live stream last night, I was preparing for my pancit and I was cutting my vegetable and of course carrots, celery, and green beans. Okay guys, this is it, my noodles right now. Okay, I'm taking this to work and I'm gonna leave some to my husband. Okay guys, this is it. I cooked this for at least 40 minutes after I dropped the kids in the school. So that looks so good, right guys? Look at that. Ooh, looks so good. Pancit for today. And okay guys, simple dish, Filipino dish. Okay, thank you very much for tuning to Travel and Taste. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po. Bye-bye for now.